Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Rumba tutorial, and this is a very good bass line that you can add to your playing to spice up the way you play Rumba. So this bass line is in the key of C sharp, and the progression is 1 4 5 4. So that is C sharp, F sharp, A flat, F sharp, C sharp. So before you attempt this bass line, it's very important that you get the technique right. And this is something that I always repeat in my previous videos. And if you don't know the 7 technique or the Rumba technique, then please click on the link above to learn the 7 technique or the correct technique that we use in Congolese music. So that is mainly using our thumbs, our left thumb or right thumb. And in order for you to keep up with this video, it'll be very important for you to learn that technique. So master the technique and then come back to this video and attempt this bass line. So he starts off by playing this. So 3 2 2 and then 2 1. Then you come back down. So 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. So you play that twice. So so I'm playing 3 3 2 5 3 3 2 5 2 3. Then he plays. So 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 1. So 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 1. And this is when the bass line starts. I'm going to try to play it very slow so that all of you can keep up. So after I play this, we're going to play a lot of ghost notes as well. What I mean by that is it's muting the G string and the E string. So you played. So that is simply, we're playing the 4 4 6 2 4. So 4 6 2 4 2 5 5. Two 5 5 5. So 2 5 5 5, and then you mute twice. 4 6 5 5 1 1 1. I'm going to go slower because that might have been too fast for some people. So after you play this, you play the 5, then 1, then you mute. 4 6 2 4 2 5 5 5. Then you mute. You play the ghost notes. What is what I mean? 4 6 5 1 1 1. Again. So that's what we're doing. Try to do it very slow first and then speed it up. So use a metronome when you do it. So again. And then after he plays 1, 1, 7, so he plays, so then 7. So when you go to the 7, you stay there. So then 1, then you slide to the 1. So I want to do that again. So then back to the bass line. You mute again. Again. So I hope that made sense, but try to slow the video down and try to zoom in more if you can, but take it very, very slow. Even when I was learning this bass line, I always start slow and then speed it up. That's how I learn every single bass line that I play. Start slow and then speed it up. Never start fast, because you're not going to pick up the mistakes that you make. So the next bar is, so after he plays this. So he plays 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 2, 2. Now I appreciate that there's many ways you can play this, or many positions that you can use to play this. So I was using this 5, 6. Some people might use this 5, 6, 5, 6. They might use this too, or some people might play down here. I was using this 5, 6. So 5, 6. Sorry, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. So he's playing this 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Then he plays this. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Then he plays this 1, 7, 6, 5, 7, 4. 1, 7, 6, 5, 7, 4. I'll do it again. So 1, 7, 6, 5, 7. Then after he plays that, so he plays that twice. The 1, 5, 6, 5, 7. On the second time, he ends by playing this. Do, 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 do. And then you play. So you play the same. So 5, 6, 5. So 2, 5, 5, 6, 2, 2. Again, 1, 1. Again, if you're not understanding, slow it down. Keep going back to the parts that you do not understand and play them over and over again before you move. So after that, it's 5, 6, 2, 5, 5, 6, and then 1, 1 again. Then you play the ghost note. So 1, 5, 4. So he plays 1, 5. So 1, 5, 4. So after he plays this 1, 5. I'll do that again. So you play 1, 5, 4, So the second time you play, 5. I'll do it again. Then 5. I'll do it again. 5. Then 5. And then again. Again, so 1, 7, 6, 5. 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 4. Again, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2. And then when you play this 1, you play this straight away after. So 10, 6. So 1, 6. Let me do that again. So 1, 7, 5. Sorry, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2. So when we play that last part, all he's playing is so 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. So that was it for this video, guys. If you found this very complicated, then just keep coming back to this video, keep slowing it down, keep using a metronome. But the key thing is to slow it down and to increase the speed every single time, because that's the only way you'll be able to spot your mistakes. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, comment below, like and subscribe for more videos. And if you're interested in lessons, then email me. You'll find my email address in the description. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.